इसका मार्केटिंग जो एक हर पिक्चर का एक होता है, कोई सॉन्ग से मार्केट करते हैं, कोई डायलॉग से।
ये सब बात का सवाल है।
इसमें
इसका भी कोई जवाब नहीं।
11 Yes, he's been with me since the last 6 months. क्या था कि Bombay Velvet took a 5-month break and I had to go back to Jagga Jasoos where I'm playing an 18-year-old. So I had to lose a lot of weight for that again. But it's easier because if he travels with you, I'm a bit of a lazy guy. So he drags me to the gym and he feeds me. Anurag also has a trainer now. So both of us are at the gym very often, where he is cursing his trainer and I'm also cursing my trainer. But I guess for me it's an occupational hazard. I have to do it.
Tell me something that when you are working on, when you need performances, when you see performances like Matthew McConaughey's or even for that matter Farhan Akhtar and Milka, how you apply yourself for maybe a year and a half or 2 years to a certain character. You need some kind of single-minded dedication for that. So how do you do that when you're doing multiple projects?
Well, that's why I don't do multiple projects. I work at one film at a time, and I think more than a physical transformation, yes, that's important, but that comes with the territory. I think it's more important than that is an emotional connect. You have to connect with the character, you have to connect with the people that you're working with. You have to have some kind of love between each other. Then only something good comes out of it. I think physical transformation is easy. Just by cutting my hair in every film, trying a new hairstyle doesn't bring out a character. It's actually what you bring in your experiences, what the director wants to say, all of that, when it comes together, then a character comes out. What Matthew McConaughey did was phenomenal. It was a physical transformation as well as
emotional transformation.
Felt like he was that person who was going through AIDS, and at the time of the film was made. So I think it was a really great performance.
Anurag, what sort of international release are you looking for? Because something of this
right now, these questions I really can't answer. But for me, it's only the film that matters. These questions you should always ask the producers and the distributors.
But considering you have a lot of friends in Hollywood and other places as well, so something of this, but they'll be keen on.
Well, I think he's a little embarrassed to say, but I think a lot of people. A lot of prominent names have shown a lot of interest in Anurag's work. I think Anurag has made a great name in the festival circuit around the world. His films have released, and I keep seeing emails and messages from worldwide famous. But like I said, he's being a little embarrassed about it. But I'm sure that when the time comes, he'll get a lot of support.
We can see like a proper international release.
That's what we're hoping for.
No, I think a movie should not be dubbed. I think a movie should always be shown in its original language, and I think if the English audience wants to see it, they should see it in subtitles. Like how a Crouching Tiger was, Life is Beautiful. You understand the tone and the world of the film better, I feel.
Thank you. Thank you. Sri Lanka because you come here, you have a really immersive movie.
I think it was perfect. You're so detached from the hectic Mumbai life. From your friends. Yes, you miss your family and friends, but I think it's very important to be focused and be narrow-minded when you're working on a film and with such a large canvas. So I think we've been lucky that we got Sri Lanka as a place, and I'm actually going to promote this place a lot. I'm going to ask all my films to shoot here, because you shoot your film, you go to the hotel, you eat your food, you go to the gym, you go to sleep. So it's like a good dedicated.
थोड़ी language सीख पाए यहाँ की Sinhalese शायद?
नहीं यार, क्या है कि हमारे सेट सब हिंदी में ही बात करते हैं या इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं, so I haven't really been able to. About the sets, yes, I think that was such an important character in the film. That's I think the biggest character, because how do you bring a world of 50s and 60s and make it in a correct budget? You can't go overboard, because at the end, you have limitations. And I think what Sonal with the cinematographer and Niharika, what all three of them have contributed is amazing, because it's not कि set बड़ा बनाया है और अभी shoot करो. I think it's a great understanding between these three technicians, and मैं खुद की फिल्म की तारीफ करूँगा तो बुरा लगेगा, but I guess जब आप फिल्म का ट्रेलर देखोगे या फिल्म देखोगे, if you believe in the world, if you believe कि हाँ हम 50s 60s मुंबई में हम वो देख रहे हैं, and you have a connect with it, I think then it'll be a true victory. But right now, all I can say is, as an actor, when I come to these sets, it feels very real for me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming, and I hope you guys have a safe trip back home.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.